Hello! Welcome to another Southern New Hampshire University's Learning Center tutorial on how to use Minitab Express. If you haven't installed Minitab Express already, you can either do so through the Minitab website or through the SNHU Blackboard site. There is a tutorial video within this grouping of, or this series of videos on how to install it through our Blackboard site. So if you haven't yet, please install it and then open up and you will look at what I'm looking at right now. So once you have Minitab open, you'll be selecting the Statistics tab at the top. And for this video, we're going to be talking about strictly using BinomialPDF. So there's another video that I've already created that is talking about normal and binomial CDF. This video is strictly talking about BinomialPDF. So, once in the Statistics tab, you'll hit CDF PDF. And this time we'll be selecting probability density function. So we're just going to select that, and this window will appear. So we just have to give Minitab the required information. So the form of input is basically saying, do we have a single value or a column of values? If you have a column of values, you'll just enter in all the data, like so. I'll just close out of this. And in whatever column you like, you can put in all the data that you would like. So let's say it was like 3, 2, 6, 7, and 4. Okay. So you'll select the probability density function, and you can select a column of values. And all you have to do at this point is tell Minitab where the values are. So you just select this drop down and you'll select C1 for column 1, assuming that's where you put the information. At this point, you will select binomial for the type of distribution because we are doing binomial PDF. At least in the majority of the classes for Southern Hampshire University, we don't really do much with normal PDF, so just keep that in mind. So for binomial distributions, we'll just select the number of trials and the event probability. So let's say our number of trials is 10, and the probability of this event occurring is 0.3. And we will just select an output of display a table of probability density values. And we will hit OK, and it will output our information. So this chart here is what we're looking at. So for X, the probability of getting exactly 3 would be 26.68%. 2 is 23%, 7 is 0.009, and 4 is 20%. About that. So again, if you have a single value, you would just select the single value option and select the value you want. So let's say you were just looking for 3, and remember to switch to binomial. And when you enter it out, it'll just give you that specific value. And then if you've run multiple tests on the side here, Minitab will have a navigator for you of all the tests you've run in that session. So you can always switch back and forth between the two and see the outputs that Minitab gave you. So yeah, that basically concludes the video for using BinomialPDF specifically. Just remember there are step-by-step procedures below this video in the document you're most likely looking at this from. If not, then hopefully this video is enough, and you can use Minitab for finding BinomialPDF.